Before buying a bike storage shed, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. Happy Travel Bike Storage Shed Tent. The Happy Travel Bike Storage Shed caught my attention with its promise of 30% more storage space compared to similar products, and priced at just $44.99. It's hard to ignore. If you want a portable and easy-to-set-up solution for storing up to 3 bikes, this is worth a serious look. This tent measures 86.5 by 31.5 by 73 inches, which gives you ample room for your bikes and even some outdoor tools. The waterproof and UV-resistant 210D Oxford fabric means your bikes stay protected from the elements, and the fiberglass poles are designed for durability. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever returned home to find your bike soaked from rain or damaged by UV rays, you'll appreciate how this shed protects your investment. Now, some people complained about the setup being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the clip's design makes it pretty quick. If you're someone who hates complicated setups, it might take a little patience, but it's ultimately worth it for the protection you get. This is perfect for you if you're a cyclist looking for a quick and portable storage solution. Skip this one if you need something more permanent or substantial for larger outdoor equipment. For the price, it's a solid deal. Now, if the setup issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Patio Well Outdoor Storage Shed. Next up is the Patio Well Outdoor Storage Shed. Priced at $109.99, this metal shed features a sloping roof and lockable door, making it not only a sturdy choice, but also a secure one. If you want something that can double as a tool room while keeping your bike safe, this is worth a serious look. This shed is made from galvanized steel, which means it's built to withstand the elements without rusting or corroding. The sloping roof design prevents water from pooling, which is a game changer in rainy conditions. Plus, it's lockable, so you can rest easy knowing your bikes and tools are safe from theft. Here's why this matters for you. If security is a major concern, this shed offers peace of mind. However, some buyers mention the installation process can be a hassle, especially if you're not handy. But here's the thing, the detailed instructions help a lot, and once it's up, you won't have to worry about it again for a long time. This is perfect for you if you need a multi-purpose storage solution that's durable and secure. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight or portable. For the quality, it's a good investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing more space. Product number 3, Happy Travel Outdoor Waterproof Bike Storage Tent. The Happy Travel Outdoor Waterproof Bike Storage Tent is next, and it's priced at $129.99. With its spacious design, it can hold up to 8 bikes, making it a fantastic option for families or cycling groups. If you want maximum storage, this is worth a serious look. Measuring 8 by 7 by 5.6 feet, this shed offers a segmented horizontal pole design, so you can adjust the size based on your needs. It's made from high-quality materials that ensure waterproof and UV protection, so your bikes stay dry and safe. Here's why this matters. If you live in an area with unpredictable weather, this tent will keep your bikes in perfect condition. That said, a few users found the setup time to be longer than expected at about 10 minutes. I'll be real with you. If you're in a rush, this might not be the best option. But once it's up, you'll appreciate the spaciousness and protection it offers. This is perfect for you if you need a large storage solution for multiple bikes and outdoor gear. Skip this one if you want something that sets up in seconds. For the amount of space and quality, it's a worthwhile investment. Now, if you're looking for something more compact, the next product might be what you need. Product number 4, Praliv Bike Shed. The Praliv Bike Shed comes in at just $37.99, making it an affordable option for bike storage. It's compact, yet can accommodate up to 3 bikes, which is great for families. If you want an economical choice without sacrificing protection, this is worth a serious look. This shed is made from durable Oxford fabric that's both waterproof and UV resistant, ensuring your bikes are well protected year-round. Plus, it folds easily for transport, making it perfect for temporary use. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who frequently travels or goes camping, this bike tent can easily come along with you. However, some users did mention that the zipper could be a bit finicky. Here's the thing though, if you handle it gently, it should serve you well. It's an easy fix to be careful with, and the price is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want reliable bike storage. Skip this one if you need a more permanent structure. For the price, it really delivers. Now, if you're looking for a more permanent solution, check out this last option. Product number 5, Aoshuan Outdoor Storage Shed. Finally, we have the Aoshuan Outdoor Storage Shed, priced at $349.99. This one is a bit pricier, but it offers a sturdy resin construction and a unique 4-door design for maximum access. If you want a long-lasting solution that can fit a variety of items, this is worth a serious look. With a spacious 64 cubic feet capacity, this shed can handle everything from bikes to garden tools. It's waterproof and UV resistant, ensuring your belongings stay safe from the elements. Here's why this matters. If you're investing in a shed, you want something that will last through the seasons, and Aoshuan delivers that durability. On the downside, some users found the assembly to be time-consuming, taking 30 to 60 minutes. I'll be honest, if you're not up for a DIY project, it could be a drawback. But once it's set up, you'll be glad you invested in such a quality piece. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile storage solution that can handle various outdoor items. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to move. For the durability and space, it's a solid investment. So, to wrap it up, we've covered a range of bike storage solutions from the portable Happy Travel tent to the more permanent Aoshuan shed. Each has its strengths depending on your needs, whether you prioritize price, space, or durability. I hope this helps you find the perfect storage for your bikes.